Let's check if you can use HDMI cable to connect your Motorola Moto G15 with any screen. So I have a HDMI cable right here. Then there's the adapter, which allows me to connect the HDMI cable right here and other end to my phone. And you won't be able to see the screen, but I will just tell you, as I can see the screen that I'm currently connecting this cable with. So it's connected, and now let's plug in my phone. And now I'm gonna click on my screen to see if the input does work. Okay, so I'm at HDMI cable, and there's no signal, which confirms that this device cannot be connected using HDMI cable.